What is equitable relief? Equitable relief is a type of remedy that a court can grant when money damages are not enough to solve the harm suffered by a party. In simple terms, it is when the judge orders someone to do something or to stop doing something instead of just paying compensation. This concept comes from the historic division between courts of law and courts of equity in the English legal system. Courts of law could only grant money damages, while courts of equity, developed through the Chancellor's courts, provided more flexible remedies aimed at fairness. Over time, the U.S. inherited this dual system, and even though most courts today combine law and equity, the distinction between legal remedies, money damages, and equitable remedies, actions or prohibitions, remains central. The main forms of equitable relief include injunctions, court orders requiring a party to do something or refrain from doing something. For example, a judge may order a company to stop polluting a river. Specific performance, when a court orders a party to fulfill their contractual obligations, often used in real estate contracts where money cannot replace the unique property. Rescission, canceling a contract and restoring the parties to their original positions. Reformation, modifying a contract to reflect the true intentions of the parties. Constructive trusts or equitable liens, used to prevent unjust enrichment when one party improperly holds property belonging to another. An example: imagine a buyer signs a contract to purchase a rare painting, but the seller later refuses to deliver it. Since money damages cannot replace the uniqueness of that artwork, the buyer may ask the court for equitable relief in the form of specific performance, forcing the seller to hand over the painting. A key element of equitable relief is that it is discretionary. Unlike compensatory damages, which are a legal right once proven, equitable remedies depend on fairness. Courts often apply what is known as the equitable maxims, such as equity will not suffer a wrong to be without a remedy, and he who comes into equity must come with clean hands. This means that the plaintiff must act fairly and in good faith to obtain equitable relief. Another interesting point is that equitable relief often requires the plaintiff to prove that legal remedies, money damages, are inadequate. Judges typically ask, would awarding money solve the problem? If the answer is no, then equitable remedies may be appropriate. A curiosity is that in the U.S. Constitution, the Seventh Amendment protects the right to a jury trial in suits at common law, meaning cases seeking money damages, but not in cases seeking equitable relief. This means that equitable issues are usually decided by judges, not juries.
In short, equitable relief is a flexible and powerful set of remedies that allow courts to ensure fairness when money alone cannot make things right. It shows how the law balances strict rules with principles of justice to create solutions that fit unique situations. Up above, I left you more videos so you can keep learning law. Don't forget to like and subscribe.